Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Reese. This is a retrospect channel and today we are unboxing the Ice SnowBall by the company Blue. It's a portable desktop microphone attachable with a USB, so you can use it with a laptop, with a PC. If you're on the go, take it with your laptop. If you're in an office, a workspace, use your PC. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get straight into the unboxing. As you can see, I will just turn it round. We have Ice in nice big blue letters, Ice colour, and we have SnowBall in white, SnowBall white, Ice blue. As you can see on the front, big circle, which is the shape of the microphone, and as you can see in the bottom corner, it actually shows you a viewed back image of how it will stand. You have the round microphone and then you have the stand. It's a plug and play USB microphone, as you can see. So yeah, I'll show you what the side looks like. As you can see, sound as cool as you look. So straight away, it's a little bit of a catchy saying. It's saying our microphones as good as you. So if you think you're good, we hope you like our product. On the side it says USB cable. As you can see, we have the USB cable just there. And then it also says, let's have a look, spin it round for you. Custom capsule offers crystal clear audio. That's from the front, as you can see just there. As we spin it to the back, we have Ice logo again. We actually have a laptop and we have the microphone there, just showing you how it can stand at the side. We obviously have plug and play USB microphone information again here, and then we have some other languages just here. On the other side, we have the Ice logo with SnowBall, and then we actually have a picture of the microphone, the round ball, and the stand there. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Here in the back, there is a little tab which you can just pull up like that. Your little tab pulls out, and then the lid will just pull up just like that. And as you open that bit, we'll just put that bit of plastic to the side. We'll sit this down and it will pull out just like that. We'll just stand this item to the side just like that. First of all, we have a little box here. So let's open the box and see what's inside this one. First things first, as we can see, there is the USB cable. It's a nice shiny colour, shiny silver. It is. As you can see, the USB connector there, and then we have the other adapter bit there. So we'll just put that just there. Also in here, we actually have this stand, which I will open for us to have a look at. Give that a big pull out of the way. So yeah, first things first, with the stand, nice and neatly packed. The legs pull out, as you can see. There's a nice little click action with the stand. The legs, it's a triple leg. Once you finish, we'll just fold away just like that. And then when you want to use it again, pull till the click, another click there, and another click there, and it'll stand up just like that. I don't know if you can see, but on the top end of the stand, there is some grooves, which I'm guessing the microphone will just screw straight onto and spin round. So we'll just put that to the side with the USB. And then obviously left back in here, there's just some information, which is how to set it up. As you can see, a few images of what you can do with it. So yeah, make sure you read through this. I'm sure there'll be some information. If you've never used one before, the information will be in there for you. And in the box, as you can see, is now empty, nothing else in, so we can just put that to the side. So far we have information leaflet, we have the stand, and we have the USB. What else is in this box? As you can see, another little latch to pull, so I'll give it a pull. Nothing else in the box is completely empty. And in this little bit here, I'm guessing it just pulls apart just like that. Yep. Nice cut out bit of card to give it a bit of extra packing. and the actual microphone itself is fairly heavy. Another little cutout here, no else in that, it's empty. So for the microphone itself, as you can see, we have the white ball with the big logo blue there. On the back we have the USB connector with the word ice again and SnowBall. And then obviously on the bottom we have the screw bit, which I will now open to show you. Overall weight of the item, it has got a bit of weight to it, so you can tell it's not one of your cheap microphones that you can get maybe off eBay or Amazon. I'm liking the bit of silver here with the word blue, stands out a little bit, and then we have the white coloured mesh here, which is where the speaker must be built into. We also have a little bit of plastic here, if you can see, which I'm guessing is a light to either tell you that it's recording or that it's actually powered up. Round the middle of the speaker we actually have the word SnowBall Ice. We have a serial number which is here, and we also have Blue Microphones, which is the company it's made by. On the back again we have the word SnowBall and we have ice. We actually have the USB port, and we also have the screw port for the stand. If I bring the stand over, as you can see, the ball just fits on the top, and then a nice clockwise turn, and you can feel it spinning on round and round. You just keep spinning until it gets nice and tight, because obviously you don't want to pay the money for one and then not put it on correctly and the ball fall off. As you can see from a side view, just like that, from a back view like that, and from a front view we have like that, and from a top view, if I put the legs back in, the item is like that. From a side view from above, the item's like that, and the back view from the item above is just like that. With the USB, which you can just pull out of its pocket, we have a kind of flat shaped, I'd class it as a tunnel shape, maybe a house shaped connector. You mostly see these connectors with printers, so it's a printer lead as some people might know it. And if you just look at the back of the speaker microphone, the wire just pops straight in, just like that. If you stand it up again, and I can show the legs pop, as you can see, we have the microphone and we have the USB lead, just like that. What I will be doing with this microphone is I will personally be using it myself. In a follow-up video, it will have a few videos mixed together of reviews. But yeah, I will review the SnowBall. If any of you have any comments of how I can make my unboxings better, if you think I need to slow down, if there's other tips that you want to know about, feel free to drop a comment down below. I do read them, it helps me improve. Obviously we are a team, without you guys I can't improve. Like I said, most of the items I unbox I personally go out and buy myself. Apart from the Auto Beam one, which you can see just in the top corner here, that was actually sent out by Auto Beam, which I unboxed, which is some number plate lights for a car. But yeah guys, all I ask in return is if you can subscribe, give the thumbs up, give us a like, and if you like what you see and you want to come back and watch more videos, make sure you click the bell button and it will notify you when I next upload. Thanks for watching today guys, I've been Reese, this is Retrospect, peace out.
Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take back everything and lose it all.